cooking oil from the nuts, palm. You can get the oil. And the last one is the starch equipment. You can use the cassava and the potato to get the starch. So these 4 company all belong to Doing Holdings. So next we are going to our production line. This is our Pyrolysis plant production shop. Totally, we have 2 workshops. This is the first one to deal with the pyrolysis plant. Okay, now there's a worker. They are taking some stuff out. So right now we are moving around. Firstly, before we go inside, I will explain to you our popular pyrolysis plant. This is the continuous one, continuous type pyrolysis plant. This is the insulation cover for the continuous one. The capacity is 25 tons per day. This is the insulation cover. And have you seen this reactor, the red one? This is not painting yet. This is the reactor. This is for the continuous pyrolysis plant. Capacity is a little bit big, 20 tons per day. Hello everyone. Welcome to Doing Live broadcast. This is Myra. Here I'm introduce our pyrolysis plant to everyone. We are the manufacturer in Henan Zhengzhou, and mainly produce the pyrolysis plant. This is our pyrolysis plant. This kind of pyrolysis plant can deal with waste, plastic, municipal waste, and also tires into oil. Here is the details. I can show you around here. This pyrolysis plant capacity is not too big. I can show you the general looking. For this one, capacity is 3 tons. This one. And I will show, and this is for the small capacity. And I will show you our big capacity. For the pyrolysis plant, we have different capacity from 100 kilogram, 500 kilogram, 1 ton, 2 tons, until 5 tons per day. The maximum capacity is 15 tons per batch. And here is our 15-ton capacity pyrolysis plant. This is for the feeding door. The size is 1.4 meters. And you can see the overlook. It's very big plant. Capacity is 15 tons per batch. And this is for the feeding part, feeding door. If your material will be plastic, you can put the plastic in from here directly to the door. Also the tires, since the door size is very big, it's one from here to here is 1.4 meters. So it's totally enough for the vehicle tires. And also for the tires, it can deal with the truck tires as well. But for the truck tires, you have to cut them into some pieces. Then it will be easy to put them into the door. Regarding to our Pyrolysis plant, we have more details. And later, I will show you one by one for the latest design with our reactor. And recently, it's very busy time. You can see from our factory, there are so many plants are waiting for shape. And this is all the reactor are ready to ship. This is our worker. They are working to on the other equipment. As you may know, for the pyrolysis plant, mainly have three parts. One is the reactor, and the first part is the reactor. This is for the pyrolysis process with the heating, and this is the oil gas outdoor. And after the reactor will be the condenser system. Here the condenser system not ready yet. Later I will show you a clear one. And after condenser system, you can get the liquid oil. But you know, for our pyrolysis plant, the configuration is different. It depends on each customer requirements. And this area is for the production line. I can show you each part. Our factory is quite big, so you can right now. I'm just from the entry to the mid of our factory. It's very big. So going that part is mainly for the production, and you know, near the entry, this is the place for putting the reactor. Because right now we are quite busy, so you can see so many reactors was put there. Hello, welcome new customer to my live broadcast. Today I'm going to show you our pyrolysis plant production line. In order to give you more information to recycle the waste tires and plastic into new energy, fuel oil, I can give you more information. So through today's introduction, you will have more idea about the pyrolysis plant. This is our factory. Now we are going to another ready reactor. I will show you around. This is the insulation cover, another one. Hello. Sorry. Just know the connection is not very good, so it's loud. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Myra's live broadcast. This is Myra from Henan Doing Group, and now I'm in the factory to introduce our pyrolysis plant. Here is our pyrolysis plant. If you are the first time to know our pyrolysis plant, today from my live show, I will tell you what kind of raw material you can use to get new energy and also to make the profits. For the pyrolysis plant, it's a new project and also the technical is very mature. Everyone knows that the pyrolysis plant has a very high profit. And from today, I'm gonna to tell you how it works and to get money. Here is our factory. And I'm going to show you around our pyrolysis plant. For this one, this is one of the pyrolysis plant reactor. Capacity is 15 tons per batch, same as this one. This one, the color is different just because each customer, they have different requirements on the painting. And this is painting to the silver. Silver painting is more nice. So this is the reactor. This part is for the feeding part. So for the waste plastic and with the tires, you can put from here directly to inside, and then close the door. With our pyrolysis plant, we have lots of advantage based on the pyrolysis plant. If you have a general idea about our pyrolysis plant, you will know how advantage for our pyrolysis plant. You can see from our pyrolysis plant, the feeding part is different with others. You can see this part. This part is the steel gas reel. The reason we design like this, you can see this is the distance, 10 millimeters, 10 centimeters. And this mainly function is to prevent the heating transfer to this part. So even during running, this part, the temperature is really high from here, but the heat won't transfer from it to the tag. So this is much better to prevent the lubricant oil loose. And another one is for the base. You can see for our tag, we fixed two sides. The two sides it's very stable, and also it can be easy to adjust. It's easy to adjust it up or down. It's very convenient. And another like during the torque is running, there's no touch from each side. So for the whole life, the torque won't have any damage. So this is for the advantage of our feeding part. And this is the carbon black discharge door. Once you finish the production, the carbon black, you need to discharge the carbon black. So you need to open this door and then discharge the carbon black. And this part is for the end of the reactor. This pipe is for the oil gas. So during the heating, the oil gas will come out from here. And this part was connection to the condensers. And for the cooling process, I will explain to you later. And same as the function of the feeding part, we also have the special design for reactor. And what's the main advantage is that we have the special structure from this part. So during running, there is no smoking around. Hello, welcome new customer, welcome new clients to come to live show. This is Henan Doing Group Pyrolysis plant. This is the batch tap. Henan Doing is the manufacturer, mainly process the pyrolysis plant. For the pyrolysis plant, there are three types. One is the batch tap pyrolysis plant. The second one is semi-continuous one. The batch tap is mainly looks like this. Mainly like this, like one batch per day. And also, once you finish the whole production, you need to stop and then you need to discharge. After discharge the carbon black, then you can go ahead with the second batch. The second type is the continuous pyrolysis, is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. For the semi-continuous one, you can feed the material automatically, and also you can discharge whatever you want. You can from the back discharge or set discharge. And the third type is the continuous one. Continuous for the fully continuous pyrolysis plant, it's mainly used for dealing with the big capacity. Like one day you want to deal with 30 ton, 40 ton, or 15 ton, or even more, 100 ton per day. So Henan Doing Group totally have three type pyrolysis plant: batch type, semi-continuous type, and fully continuous type. No matter which type of pyrolysis plant, all is selling very well, and we have export our pyrolysis plant over 100 countries. After the pyrolysis reactor explanation, I will going to introduce more details about the reactor inside of the reactor. Welcome new customer come to the live show. Today we are talking about the pyrolysis plant to deal with plastic tires and other solid waste, solid and other solid municipal waste. Also, we can deal with some oil sludge as well. Welcome to Doing Group. This is for the pyrolysis plant reactor. Inside of the reactor, this is for the big capacity. Our reactor adopts new advantage. We have special design on the reactor. If you want to know more, you can contact us. Contact the Doing Group. The sales manager, they can tell you what's the advantage. What's the advantage they have. They will tell you in details. This is the inside of the reactor. Spiral blade. And if at the moment, if you have any new business or new investment want to do, but you have no idea what you should do, please contact with Doing Group. We have more plans which can be get profits for you. This part is for the head of the reactor. This is the reactor seal head. We adopt a special design for the seal head. If you want to know more about the reason why we design like this, please contact Doing Group. From the video, I'm going to show you basic information about how to recycle the waste tire or plastic, even for oil sludge. No matter which kind of raw material, if you can contact with Doing Group, they will tell you how to deal with to get profits. This is for the reactor. This reactor is a little bit big. The capacity is much bigger. It's 18 tons per day. And will be shipped in November. In the workshop, it looks a little bit massive because every small parts we produce by our production team themselves in order to make sure our pyrolysis equipment connects very well. So even for the small parts we produced in our workshop. Hello everyone. This is Mara from Henan Doing Group. Welcome to the live show. Today I was in the factory, and we are now talking about the pyrolysis plant. This is the pyrolysis plant. So behind of me, there are so many reactors which was already done, ready to ship. Hello, welcome to the new plant. If you have any idea, if you don't have any idea to deal with the waste plastic or tires, you can connect with us. We will tell you, we will give you the best solutions how to recycle your waste plastic or tires into new energy. This is the pyrolysis plant.
玉溪姐讲讲安全装置。有评论。安全装置。
Hello everyone, welcome to my live show. This is Myra from Henan Doing Group. Now we are in the factory. We are talking about the pyrolysis plant. This pyrolysis plant is used to deal with the waste plastic and waste tires. Next, I'm going to show you our pyrolysis plant. Okay, let's move the screen to our plant. Hello everyone. Here you can see this is the process for the reactor for the pyrolysis plant. So this is for the production of the furnace. So after the whole production, you will see the finished products. The finished product will be like this. This is the ready reactor, pyrolysis reactor. This is ready and are ready to ship. And for our production, for our pyrolysis plant, we have different capacity from 1 ton, 2 ton. The maximum capacity was 15 ton per day for the batch type. And we also have the fully continuous pyrolysis plant dealing with the big capacity like 13 ton, 14 ton, 15 ton, even more bigger capacity. And for this pyrolysis reactor, the capacity is 15 capacity, 15 ton capacity. And this is for the reactor insulation cover. I can show you around. This is for the insulation cover. For the reactor, it's for the reactor parts. It's mainly including 2 parts. One is the insulation cover, and the second one is the reactor, the body, the furnace body. So the reactor, furnace, and insulation cover. And once this is done, this insulation cover will be covered on the top. Then the whole reactor will be done. Like this complete one. Hello everyone. Welcome to Doing Group. This is the factory. This is the Doing Group factory. Mainly produce the pyrolysis plant. This is the furnace. This is the furnace, the body. It's still under production. And this area was workshop. Now, today we are in the factory for the live show. If you have any idea about waste plastic and tires, you can contact us. We will give you the best solution to help you to get more money. In nowadays, the pyrolysis plant is very popular to get the new energy. What kind of raw material
有买家
can
进入直
use
播
the
间了。
pyrolysis plant to get new energy? If you don't know this and you have some extra money, you can send us your inquiry. We will explain to you how to use the pyrolysis plant to deal with the waste to get money. And for this part, this is for the bending machine. So this is for the bending machine to make the steel plates into a roll. This is for our reactor, for the pyrolysis reactor. Welcome to the new customer to the live show. This is Myra from Doing Group. Today we are in the factory to explain how to do the business with the pyrolysis reactor. Which kind of raw material can be used to get profits? How much profits you can get with a pyrolysis plant? You can send us your inquiry. And nowadays, lots of waste, no matter for the waste tires and waste tires, waste plastic. Also some oil sludge. You don't know how to deal with them. You can send us your inquiry. We can tell you how to get the profits with the pyrolysis plant. This is the pyrolysis plant. We have, for the pyrolysis plant, we have different capacity. For the batch type, every day you can deal with 10 ton, 5 ton. Also, you can deal with 15 ton per day. The capacity is depends on every day you want to deal, how much you want to deal with. If you don't have an idea, you can just tell me your demands. We will advise you how to deal with this. Hello, this is Mara from Henan Doing Group. Today we are in our production factory. And here I'm gonna tell you how to work with the pyrolysis plant. What kind of raw material you can use to get profits. If you are already involved in the pyrolysis production, you can send your inquiry about our pyrolysis plant. What's the advantage we have? We can explain to you one by one. No matter for the capacity or the technology, also for the safety, you can send us your inquiry. We can explain to you one by one. For the pyrolysis plant, we have different design. Totally, we have 3 types. One type is this part. This is the batch. This is the batch type. This is batch type. The batch type pyrolysis plant can help you deal. It's much more cost effectively, and also we have a little bit efficient one, semi-continuous one. The third type is a fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant. This is for the batch type plant. And now we are going to move to the continuous one. Hello, welcome to Doing. This is our factory. Our factory was in Jiaozuo, in Henan Jiaozuo city. And for the pyrolysis plant, we have 2 factories for the production. This is the half of factory. And now we are in the workshop. I think you can hear some noisy from the workshop. The workers are still working in the workshop, so a little bit noisy. But I think it's fine. You can hear me. You can hear. If you can't hear me, you can leave your contacts or email to us. We will contact you. No matter what you want to learn about, we will send you the information. And if you have lots of waste, no matter for the plastic, tires, or sludge, and you don't know how to deal with them, please contact us. We will send you a company brochure, so you will know how to deal with them. This is the workshop. Now the workers are ready to off work, and now it's a little bit quiet, so you can hear me clearly. Here we are doing group. The manufacturer is producing the pyrolysis plant. Do you know what's the pyrolysis plant? This is the pyrolysis plant. Do you have any idea about the pyrolysis plant? If you don't know, here, I'm going to tell you. Pyrolysis plant is an equipment who can help you to recycle waste plastic, waste tires, and also some oil sludge and other subjects. If you don't know whether you can use the pyrolysis plant to deal with your raw materials, you can contact us for more information. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Mara from Henan Doing Group. This is our workshop, and now it's the explanation about our pyrolysis plant. The pyrolysis plant can help you to dealing with the waste plastic, waste tires, and also some oil sludge. And this is the reactor mainly produced by our workshop. And this is for the finished reactor already to shape. And this is for the semi-continuous reactor. The semi-continuous one is different with the batch type. About the difference, if you are wondering what's the difference about the semi-continuous one and batch type or whatever continuous type, you can contact with Doing Group. And we will send you all the information regarding to our Pyrolysis plant. And this is a small one, small capacity with 3-ton capacity. Hello everyone. Hello. Welcome new customer to come doing live show. Today we are mainly talking about our Pyrolysis plant. This is the reactor. This is the cooling system. So for the Pyrolysis plant, it's mainly including 2 parts. One is the reactor, and the second one is the cooling system. If you don't know what's the Pyrolysis plant, you can contact with us. We will send you our company brochure to show you around. And if you have already involved in the Pyrolysis production line, you can send your information to us as well. We can communicate with each other for the new technology. This is for the small capacity. And now we are going to tell you the fully continuous one. For this reactor, you can see the size is much more longer compared with this one, the batch one. This is the batch type. And this is the continuous type. Okay. This is for the finished continuous type. I will show you around about the structure. This is for the 15-ton capacity continuous pyrolysis plant. If you want to know more about our pyrolysis plant, you can send us your inquiry. We can send you full details. Hello, welcome to Doing. This is Myra from Henan Doing Group. And now we are in the factory. We are a manufacturer specializing in producing the pyrolysis plant and distillation plant. And today, I'm going to show you our pyrolysis plant. Now, I'm in the factory. I will show you around. In the workshop. And here, this is the pyrolysis reactor. If you want to know more information, you can send us your inquiry. I'm going to send you full information about the function and also which is included in the equipment. And now I'm going to take you look around our factory. This is our workshop, and mainly produce the pyrolysis plants. I can show you more reactors for the pyrolysis plants. Welcome to Doing. If you want to know more information about how to recycle the waste plastic, waste tires, or oil sludge, you can contact us. We will advise you how we will give you the best solution, how to get the profits, how to get the money with the pyrolysis plant. This is our pyrolysis plant. You can use it. You can use the same plant to deal with the plastic with tires, and also you can use the same plant to deal with the oil sludge. The cost is more is effectively, and also, but the money, the profits is very huge. Nowadays, the pyrolysis plant is a really good good investment for the new business. No matter what business you are doing right now, you can, if you have lots of waste plastic, waste tires, or oil sludge, or the other kinds of waste, you can send us your inquiry how to help you to get money, we can give you the suggestions how to get the profits with the new project. And this is our factory, our first workshop. And now we are going to another workshop. This is a Henan Doing Group. The second workshop, Henan Doing is a manufacturer. Henan Doing is a manufacturer specializing in pyrolysis plant production. And this workshop is to process the small parts, also the condenser system. Here I'm going to take you to the front. This is part of pyrolysis plant furnace. Do you know what it's used for? For this part, it's much easy for the heating. If you want to know more information about this part, you can send us your inquiry. We can share you all the information, what we do and what we did, and the reason why we design like this. And this is for another condensers. With the pyrolysis plant, we have different designs for the pyrolysis plant. Over decades of experience, the pyrolysis plant technology is very mature. This is another condenser system. If you want to know more about this kind of condenser, you can send to us your question. We will advise you how to use it and what's its function, and also the reason why we design like this. Now we are going to show you for the cooling system and also the oil tank. each part, each equipment, at the moment, we are not installed yet, so you only can the small parts. For the pyrolysis plant, the pyrolysis plant is not a small project. If you want to get more information about how to recycle the waste plastic, use the tires, and the other kind of material, you can contact us. This is our oil tank, very big one. I can show you around. This area was the storage for the equipment. Can you see it clearly? These are all the small parts, no matter for the oil tank and other equipment for the pyrolysis plant. The reason I show you is just for the our ability for the company. And this is for the storage, no matter for the oil tank and for the other small parts. You can see the motors, the oil tank. Totally we have, so this all the area we put for the equipment, because for the pyrolysis plant, we have to do the installation at site. Welcome new customer to Doing Group Live Show. This is Mara, who is doing the pyrolysis plant project. Hello, welcome new customer to the Live Show. This is Mara from Henan Doing Group. And today we are talking about the pyrolysis plant. And for the pyrolysis plant, we have a decade's experience for the production. We have 3 types for the pyrolysis plant. One is the batch type pyrolysis plant. The second type is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. The third type is the fully automatically continuous pyrolysis plant. And now we are in the workshop. Here I'm going to show you our storage and our workshop, how to do the production and what kind of pyrolysis plant looks like. For the pyrolysis plant, we are produced by ourselves, by our own factory. No matter for the small parts or the big parts, all was produced in our own factory. Hello everyone. Hello, welcome new customer. And now the live show is almost ending. So in the last few minutes, I will explain to you our testing machine, pyrolysis testing machine. It's the small capacity pyrolysis plant. This is a small pyrolysis plant with 100 kilogram. This is 100 capacity, 100 kilogram. If you are not confirmed that which capacity you are going to start, and if you want to know what kind of raw material you want to use, but before start the project you don't know what's the result, you can use the small capacity pyrolysis plant to test your raw material. And once you have the confidence for the pyrolysis project, you can start the big capacity. This is the small pyrolysis plant, mainly for the testing. The price is very good, and it's also very good for the personal project as well. If you are not sure about your raw material, you can use this testing machine to test your raw material. And once you get the results, you will have the confidence to start the big capacity. This is the 100 kilogram pyrolysis machine. It's mainly used for the testing. And this small capacity, you can deal with the waste plastic or use the tires, or even you can test the other kinds of stuff. This is only used for the testing raw material to give you the confidence. And the constructor was the same as with the big capacity. Only the capacity is different. This is a small capacity. This is a small capacity. Okay. Hello, welcome new customer. What a pity. Time is flying, and today our doing live show is ending. And in the last few minutes, I'm going to tell you if you have no idea about how to deal with the waste plastic or tires or sludge, you can send us your inquiry. We can give you the best solution how to deal with this waste and how to get from the waste to get the high profits, get the money. And we are the manufacturer with our own production line. Welcome to our factory, and also send us your inquiry about your question. We will help you to send. We will help you to give you the solutions how to make the money. Bye bye.